Hi everyone. In the previous video you have studied about the arithmetic operators, and in this video we'll study the relational operators. Relational operators are those operators which tells us about the relation between two numbers. There are six types of relational operators: less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, and not equal to. Relational operators returns us the result either in true or false value. If the expression is true, it will return 1, and if the expression is false, it will return 0. In C, every value except 0 is true. Either it is negative also, but it is true. Let us move to the code now, so then you will get more familiar with the relational operators. I'll declare two numbers, int a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3. I am writing printf %d. I'll apply the less than operation on these two numbers. So let us, before compiling and running, let us guess the answer of this expression. 5 which is a, b which is 3, 5 less than 3 which is not true, which that means it is false. So the answer of this expression will be 0. Let us check it. Yeah, it is 0. So now we'll apply all the relational operators in this program only to get you more perspective of this. Just copy pasting it to apply the more operations. This is greater than, is less than equal to, greater than equal to, and not equal to. So I have compiled it. There is no errors, no warnings, but let us guess the answers before running it. 5 less than 3, we have already checked it, is 0. 5 greater than 3, yes, it's true, so the answer will be 1. Less than equal to, it is neither less than nor equal to 3, so the answer will be 0. 5 greater than 3 is true because it is, even if it is not equal to, but it is greater than 3, then the answer will be 1. 5 equal to 3, it is false, so the answer will be 0. 5 not equal to 3, yes, it is not equal to 3, so the answer will be 1. Let us check our answers. Yes, it's exactly same as we have guessed. 5 less than 3 is 0. 5 greater than 3, it is true, so 1. 5 less than equal to, it is neither less than nor equal to, so it is 0. 5 greater than equal to, it is neither, it is not even equal to, but it is greater than, so the answer is 1. 5 equal to, it is false, so the answer is 0. 5 is not equal to 3, it is true, so the answer is 1. Let us change this value also to 5. Now let us solve this. 5 less than 5, it is false because it is not less than 5. 5 greater than 5, it is false because it's not greater than 5. 5 less than equal to 5, it's true because it is not less than, but it is equal to 5. Same goes for 5 greater than equal to. 5 greater than equal to, 5 is not greater than 5, but it is equal to, so the answer is 1. 5 is equal to 5, it is true, so the answer is 1. 5 is not equal to 5, so it is false, so the answer is 0. And in the next video, this is all about the relational operator, and in the next video we'll study the logical operators. Thank you.